Hey everybody, Daniel Mosnet here with Cowboy Charcoal, and we're showing you the ABCs of getting your grill up and ready to go. The A was picking the best charcoal, and that's Cowboy Charcoal, obviously. The B is now we've got to light our charcoal. We've got to get it ready and get it going. The easiest way and the best way is to use a charcoal chimney. And you may have seen some of these in your local hardware store. You can see with the charcoal chimney, you have a large reservoir on the top, and that's for you to put all of your charcoal, either briquettes or lump charcoal. You put it right on the top. The bottom is for you to put your starter, and you put your starters right here, and you light them, and in about 10 minutes or so, you have lit charcoal that's ashed over and ready to go. So let's show exactly how to do it. We've got a nice brand new one here. I like my old trusty chimney that I've used plenty of times. And you can see it gets a little bit beat up. You wanna make sure that the fire doesn't get around the plastic or wood handle, whichever one you get. But to start, we're gonna take our Cowboy Wood Wool fire starters. We're just gonna put them right there on the grill. And we're gonna set that right on the top. Now we'll take our briquettes. We're gonna use briquettes today. And we're just gonna pour them right into the top. And once you have your charcoal on the top, all you do is light the bottom starter. And that's it. Now there's a lot of different ways that you can start the bottom. You can either use the Cowboy Wood Wool fire starters that are all natural, or you can take a crumpled up piece of paper. Make sure you don't crumple it too tight because you need the airflow to go around, and you can put the paper right inside there as well. Okay, so now we've let our charcoal burn for about 15 minutes or so, and you can see that we've got a nice gray ashen color on almost all of the charcoal. We've got a little bit of flame still coming out the top. This is really hot, so you wanna make sure you use a glove. And you just take the top and pour it right into your basket. Once you've dumped all the charcoal, you just wanna give your grate just a little bit of a clean off, and you're ready to go. I like to do it on top of the grate because it helps burn anything off that's been sitting on there before. And you return the grate, and now you're ready to go. We have a 2-zone fire with our briquettes on the left side for nice hot searing, and an open zone on the right side if we need to move our food off a little bit later. So that's it. That's how to use a charcoal chimney. Very easy to do. I'm Daniel Mosnet with Cowboy Charcoal. Make sure you watch, follow, and subscribe to this and all of our channels so you don't miss one of those great recipes. And until next week, keep cooking with Cowboy.